Hello everyone, we are Richie and Shreya from Travel Love Repeat, and today we will bring you an amazing resort in Sidemen, Bali. It's known as a Samanvaya Luxury Resort and Spa. Now we'll take you to the whole resort. Come with us.
Hi, also now we are going to introduce you to the general manager of the property. His name is David, and here he is.
Hi guys, welcome to Samanvaya Resort Luxury and Spa. Well, I will give you a little tour for our properties today. And this is our lobby bar, where normally we have our guests sitting here before the guests check into their room, and then you also we serve some drink here, cocktail like that. And this is also a good place for chill for our guests, even for guests not staying with us. We are most welcome, where you can relax and chill, something like that. And next to it, we have our main swimming pool with some cozy day bed, romantic day bed, even I would say.
Yeah.
It's an infinity pool
Yes.
Wow.
overlooking the rice paddy.
Nice. It's a great view.
So where we located? We are located in the middle of rice field. We are surrounded by rice field, and where we located also placed higher. Therefore, we can see through below us the rice paddy like that. And where we located also like in between or in the middle of hills here, surrounded by the hills. Jacuzzi also here.
Wow. Like right a pool, and then there is a jacuzzi also.
Come now, David will show
For
us
that.
some of the rooms.
Just one and double check. Only show one room. Maybe just one room.
Yeah, no problems. Come.
Okay, continue. We have some chill area, romantic chill area here. Such as here. We have bed again. We will show you today one of our lumbung category.
Okay,
we
sure.
Call it padi putih.
Padi putih.
Is mean white rice.
All right.
Yeah.
Please.
Also lumbung, meaning of lumbung in us for Balinese is our storage.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
but
Nice.
now-
Very interesting to know.
Design it as a room also to stay.
Okay. Beautiful.
Welcome Padi Putih. Padi Putih is our deluxe room category.
Okay.
This room has really nice terrace with direct open nice study view. You can see the hills. Also, you can see the ocean from here. Good timing to enjoying the wine while enjoying the sunset. Provide our guests is our cell phone. Our cell phone, yeah. There we can have access, communicate direct with our phone. Just contact us through the reception team if you need any assistance.
That is very
So
good.
this place is an amazing property for independent travelers because you can be on your own. You can be roaming around the whole of Sidemen with your loved ones. But Samanvaya is going to take care into this little paradise that they're calling home now. This is all eco-friendly products. So they have got the laundry bags, the slippers, each and everything, even the storage units, the small ones, everything is made eco-friendly.
Our yoga shala,
Yogashala.
our dance can learn. Yes, yoga and meditation here. If they require a teacher, we also put a